So now follow me. Let me show you how to use this dispenser. First of all, we should turn on the power supply of this dispenser. And here is the switch. So now the power is on. And the second, to put the price of each liters diesel or gasoline. We should turn on this. We should push this switch. So now the price of the diesel in China is 9.2 RMB per 1 liters of the diesel. So then you can see in this screen the number is show 9.2. So now we should change this price into this screen. So okay, follow me. We turn this key to the right position. Then you can listen one voice, and once you listen to this voice, and you should turn back this key. So then we finished this operation of changing the price in the screen. The number of this screen is changed to the 9.2, and this screen is show the price in this position. After this position, we turn back this switch. Return to the original position. So now we finished the operation. So after the price setting, we close this door. Now you can see this valve is API valve, and from this valve you can refill in the fuel from the oil station into our tank body.